Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Art for Kids. In today's video, I am going to show you how to draw a puppy or a dog. So I'm going to start by sketching out an outline for the dog. So I'm going to do the face first. So it's I'm just sketching the outline. I'll add where the ears are supposed to be. Next, I'm going to do an outline for my body. So I want my dog to be in a sitting position, so like this. I'm just drawing the back. Doesn't. And then I'm going to add the two front legs. So there it is. You have an outline for the puppy. Now all you need to do is add details to the face and then add some fur on the body and everywhere. That's a nose. In the mouth. So next I'm going to add value to my puppy by sketching out the areas that I want to be dark. So when I'm doing this, I want it to look like fur, so I'm just flicking my pencil so it looks like this. I'm just going to darken out the ears a little bit. There. Next I'm going to add some paws. It's like that. So when you're shading, the direction you're shading has a lot of importance, and it depends on how you're shading. So if you just shade like this, it's going to look different, but if I'm doing like this, it looks different. So make sure that when you're shading, keep that in mind. The direction you shade in has a lot of importance. So as my video is intended for children and beginners, I'm not going to do too much details on it, but I think this is good. And I'm just going to add some fur on the face as well. So if you see, I'm shading along the shape of the eyes. Just giving it a little bit value on the nose. And there you go, you have a puppy. So this is a simple way to draw a puppy, and I hope you all try this at home and let me know how it went. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye.